Alright, here we are back downtown. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning and the guys are bringing the skip bins in now for all the rubbish collection. So great to see the team effort downtown yesterday. So many people down here helping each other. We've obviously got a long way to go, but off to a really good start. So next to the Metropole here, this was still all flooded yesterday. The water's cleared overnight. It was actually really impressive how fast a lot of these business owners were moving yesterday. There's some businesses that looks like there was an invisible force field around it. It wasn't affected. That's how good the cleaning was. Blown away. So it looks here, all the water that was sitting around the square is now gone. I think right here was the probably most low-lying area. So I just drove through this muddy slosh pit where the square is. So, oh, rainbow, whoa, how beautiful. The square's obviously all cleared out underneath here. All across here is where it first flooded. This is all obviously drained away, rainbow. Just up there is where I filmed a few of those other videos. Clear all the way through. The school where I've been filming the last few days, on that other side of the roundabout. And here's the Macca's where the water come up just under that drive-through sign. It's hard to comprehend how high the water was up, like nuts, man. So here we are at the industrial estate over south. You can see where it's come up on these buildings. So it's definitely come up to the height of the roof, the cars. We are at Bunnings and you can see the water's just come up halfway up the door there. This is Lismore Lake this morning. Water's dropped a lot. You can see here at the lodge where those 20 or 30 people seek refuge on the roof here. That's what the river's sitting at right now, just down from Bonsai. This road's still closed, obviously. Although maybe even by tomorrow, this will be cleared out. Wait and see. All you can smell is bloody petrol around here. Very strong. At the PCYC here, this was one of the last roads to clear up. But they're getting rid of all the mud now. It's a brand new day, Lismore. We got this.